Masvingo province's so-called socio-economic transformation is increasingly raising eyebrows, with critics accusing Minister of State for Masvingo Provincial Affairs, Ezra Chidzamira, and his allies of using high-profile projects to consolidate wealth, while ordinary citizens see little benefit. Sarabina mashikobuda nyuka chinzi Chidzamira's Masvingo transformation made by corruption and resource looting. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamo mdanyo kwa mchinzi. Our government sources boast of major investments in mining, energy, and agro-industrial manufacturing. Insiders say the province remains plagued by inequality, nepotism, and the looting of state resources. The most prominent projects, including the $500 million lithium sulfate plant at Bikita Minerals, owned by Nomine Resources Group, are touted as game changers for the local economy, but experts question whether the purported job creation and value addition are reaching ordinary Masvingo residents. Minister Chidzamira has repeatedly hailed these developments as a masterstroke for national progress. The new mining contains caesium, which is an element used to manufacture explosives and is also key in the petroleum extraction industry. Pollucite is a rare mineral, and its discovery at Bikita Mineral is a boon for the national economy, because this is the first such discovery in Zimbabwe and the whole of Africa, he said. Yet opposition figures and civil society activists argue that Chidzamira and his allies have turned these projects into personal profit channels, siphoning off resources and contracts meant to benefit local communities, one critic stated. While ministers and their cronies profit from these multi-million-dollar projects, local farmers and miners see almost nothing. This is state resources being looted under the guise of development. Similar concerns surrounded the 70 million Zimbabwe Zhongjin chrome smelting company in Mashava. Though the plant has created some jobs and processes 1.5 tons of chrome monthly, observers question whether it truly empowers small-scale miners or simply funnels profit to politically connected elites. Thomas Kwanobuda nyuko panguva inoi tiona kuti aiwa kunokwanisa kumasvingo panguva ino kuri kunoitwa maresources zvakanyanya nemazita ari implicated. Minister of State for Provincial Affairs Ezra Chidzamira wapinzwa mucrossfire. Pina comment section menu nzafunguro eni matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.